Hello everyone, I am Samriddhi Thakur. In this journey, we are going to learn about a very important topic. Without this, living creature does not exist. Yes, natural resources, that is land and water. These resources are very important for all living organisms. The Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. Life is possible on the Earth because of four spheres: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Earth's surface is divided into two parts: land and water. Land covers about 29% of the total surface area of the Earth, and water about 71% of its total surface. Almost all human activities related to food, shelter, and clothing take place on land. It is used for growing crops, building houses, constructing roads and railway tracks, establishing industries, and for farming. And this is commonly known as land use pattern. How do people decide whether to cultivate crops or build houses on a piece of land? Yeah, the utilization of land is dependent on physical factors such as soil, climate, mineral resources, and human factors such as population and technology. According to scientific norms, 33% area of the world should be under forest to maintain ecological balance. At present, only 30.7% area of the world is covered by forest. Lithosphere consists of loose surface material called soil. It is a combination of organic and inorganic matter. A large part of the Earth's land surface is covered with soil. Soil is formed as a result of the long continued weathering process of rocks. Factors affecting soil formation. Soil formation is influenced by 5 factors: the parent rock, the topography, the climate, the vegetation covers, and time. So let's meet them one by one.
I am the parent rock. I am the original rock from which soil is formed by the process of weathering. And I am the example of black soil, which is derived in India from lava rock.
We are topological variations such as mountains, plateaus and plains affect the thickness of a soil cover.
I am climate. Climatic factors like temperature and rainfall affect the soil formation. In the area of high rainfall and extreme temperature, rocks are easily weathered.
I am vegetation. At times, plants grow in the cracks existing in a rock. With time, roots of these plants start penetrating in the cracks and make them wider. As a result, cracks disintegrate into small pieces and help in the formation of soil. I am time. I give maturity to the soil. Yet it takes thousands of years to develop a very thin layer of soil on the earth's surface. Fertile soil is essential for agriculture. It helps in maintaining food security of the world. But it has been observed that the fertility of soil is damaged by soil erosion. So, to conserve soil from erosion, we should plant more and more trees. Can you guess a precious resource due to which the earth is known as a blue planet? Earth is also called a watery planet. About 97% of the Earth's total water is present in the oceans and seas, which is not suitable for human consumption or for watering crops. The remaining 3% is only fresh water, which is found in the rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, ice caps, and underground water. The main source of fresh water is rainfall. The rainwater continuously gets recycled through evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, which is known as hydrological cycle. As you know, water is essential for the survival of all living organisms. And the quality of water is adversely affected due to untreated urban and industrial waste. And this causes water pollution. The polluted water causes many diseases such as jaundice, typhoid, cholera, etc. And it also disturbs the ecosystem. Multi-purpose River Valley project has been developed all over the world to utilize water. Under a multi-purpose River Valley project, a dam or a series of dams are constructed across the river for storing water. This stored water is used for several purposes such as irrigation, generating hydroelectricity, flood control, and navigation. But large dams are causing ecological problems like population gets displaced, aquatic life gets affected, result in soil erosion, etc. The sources of water are limited and are reducing every year. Therefore, it is very essential for us to conserve it. Water harvesting is one of the methods of saving surface water runoff. Water can be saved by adopting modern methods of irrigation such as drip irrigation and sprinkler method of irrigation. Water can be conserved by educating people towards the urgent need of water and not to waste fresh water. Now you understand the value of natural resources and its conservation. So don't pollute land, soil, water, air and environment, because once it lost, it will last forever. Sending a warm wishes on World Environment Day with a promise to take care of our environment. Thank you.